Hi, friends and family. Welcome back. Tonight we are going to make a goulash dinner. So something that's simple, it's quick and easy, yet delicious. We can have dinner done in no time. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need 1 pound of hamburger. We're going to put it in our skillet on medium high. Gonna brown that up. I'll let it sit in there for a second and then we'll start chopping at it. Pretty simple dinner, not that many ingredients, and it can be done really quick. You will need a onion chopped. It's gonna go in here as soon as we get our meat browned up just a little bit. Okay, starting to brown pretty fast. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my chopped onion that I have here. 1 chopped onion. It's white. You can probably use red if you had it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let that get all browned up as well. Soft and browned up. And we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so I went ahead and cooked up the hamburger. I drained the grease. Now, the only seasonings that we end up putting in here is just salt and pepper. If you'd like to add anything else, of course, go ahead. I normally like garlic and everything, but not the whole family likes garlic in this dish. So just putting some salt and pepper in there. And then we are going to add 1 can of tomato soup. And then we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom. Come out of there. Here we go. Okay. Then we're going to add some tomato sauce. Now, this is a big 29-ounce can, and I'm only going to do half of it. There, that's half. Okay, now I have this on medium. I did want to tell you also, when I was browning the meat, I did end up turning that down to medium because I had it on I said medium high, and it just got to be out of control. So, all right, so we are going to mix all this together, and we are going to let it meld together for probably at least 20 minutes. Now, in the meantime of that, go ahead and get your pasta water going. Drop a little bit of oil in it or a little bit of salt or both. And go ahead and cook up your pasta. Now I'm doing elbows. And then just cook it to package directions and drain it. Okay, so this is all good and mixed up. And like I said, go ahead and let that meld together for about at least 20 minutes. And then we'll be back. Okay, so we're back. The sauce has melded together for about 25 minutes. I did end up turning that down to medium. Make sure you stir it, just like, I don't know, for every little bit, make sure it's doing all right. But it's done, and hopefully you did go ahead and cook your noodles according to package directions. So mine are here and done, and going to add the sauce here into there. This is a heavy pan. There we go. Okay, so I just want to give it a good old mix together. Oh, it smells so good. Do y'all like goulash? How do you make your goulash? Sometimes I put mushrooms in it, but not everybody agrees on mushrooms, so I just left them out. There we go. That's what she looks like. Smells so delicious. Just a simple little recipe. Doesn't take long at all. We like to have ours with a slice of bread and a little bit of applesauce. And cottage cheese also, but we don't have it right now. And I don't have a fork. Hold on one second. There we go. I got a spoon. That'll work. And of course, I got to have a little salt and pepper. Okay. Let's give this a try. That's really good. I'd add a little bit of cayenne pepper on it too, though. But I like spice. If you guys are enjoying the channel, please give me a like, subscribe, and share. Let YouTube know that people are watching, so they don't say get off of here. But anyway, I hope you guys get to make this and enjoy it, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.